To keep your Nick from gathering dust, you should clean him regularly. I'll show you how. Before cleaning, switch off the device and disconnect the mains cable from the socket. Never immerse the housing of Nick in water, as this may cause a short circuit. First wipe Nick with a damp cloth and then dry him thoroughly with a dry cloth. Clean the air outlet with a dry brush or vacuum cleaner. To remove the air inlet grid, first loosen the 2 screws. Lift off the air inlet grid. Then clean the air inlet grid and air filter with a damp cloth. Before reinserting, ensure that the air inlet grid and air filter are completely dry. Insert the air inlet grid into Nick and tighten the screws again. First, loosen the 2 screws on the air inlet grid. Lift off the air inlet grid. Carefully clean the air inlet grid with a damp cloth and a drop of washing up liquid. Then rinse off the washing up liquid under running water. Dry the grid thoroughly. Loosen the screw at the bottom of the fan drum. Lift the drum upwards and then carefully tilt it out of the housing. Clean the fan drum thoroughly under cold running water and leave it to dry completely for at least 48 hours. Reinsert the dry fan drum into the housing by first inserting the upper part and then inserting it to the housing so that it clicks back into the drum holder. Secure it with the screw. Insert the air inlet grid into Nick's housing and tighten the screws again. Nick is ready to refresh you. Do you have any questions? Feel free to ask them in the comments below or contact our Staedtler Form customer service team. See you in the next video. Bye!